Hello Pan people, Pan members, how are you doing? Did you try to manage to change the sentence from interrogative into affirmative or from affirmative into interrogative by using verb to do in simple past as I taught you? Nkuko nabikubwiye, nabikwigisha cyangwa nabikwigishije, wigeze cyangwa se wamenye uburyo bashyira interuro muri affirmative bayikuye muri interrogative cyangwa bayikuye muri affirmative ijya muri interrogative. For example, if I say I spoke English very well, navuze Icyongereza neza. Did I speak English very well? Ibyo bintu warabimenye kuko twari tumaze igihe tubirimo cyane. Did I speak English very well? Twarabibigishije muri simple present. I speak English very well. Do I speak English very well? Urumva ko hondi do. Ariko I spoke, urumva simple past or verb to speak. I spoke English very well. Navuze Icyongereza neza. Did I speak English very well? Ndumva rwose ibyo bintu mwagakwiye kuba mubizi. Ndakeka mwarabifashe kandi byaba ari byiza cyane. Now ubu nanone tugiye kubereka verb to be in simple past uko wabaza. Muri present twabonye ngo she is a student, ni umunyeshuri. Is she twabonye ko ari ugucurika gusa, icyari mu mwanya wa she kikajya is, things like that. Is she icyari is kikajya kuba mu mwanya wa she, icyari mu mwanya icyari she nayo ikajya kujya ku mwanya wa is. Twarabonye. Now we are going to see how to change a sentence which is in affirmative form, uko twahindura interuro iri muri affirmative form in verb to be, which uses verb to be into interrogative form. Tuyijyana mu nteruro ibaza, tuyikura mu nteruro yemeza tuyijyana mu nteruro ibaza. Wabivugute. For example, niba mvuze ngo she was a student, she is a student, ni is she a student? She was a student, yari umunyeshuri. Was she a student? That's what we are going to see now. Was she a student? They were newcomers. Bari abantu bashyashya. Aho hantu bari bari. They were newcomers there. Bari bashyashya hariya. Were they newcomers? That's what we are going to see now. That's what we are going to see now. Yeah. Follow. The lesson is English. We are going to see how to ask a question, okay, by using verb to be, by using verb to be. Nigute twabaza dukoresheje verb to be in simple past. In simple past. That's what we are going to see now. Verb to be in simple past. When it is in a sentence, how do we ask a question? Nigute tubaza ikibazo. Ntabwo navuga ngo how we ask question. How do we, you do izamo kubera ko twarabibonye. Ask, do we ask question? How do we ask question? But here ntabwo turi kuri to do noneho, turi kuri to be mu nteruro. How can we, or how do we ask, or how could we ask? Good. For example, when I say she was here, she was here yesterday. Mu byukuri yari ahangaha ejo hashize. She was here yesterday. This is what? This is what? What is this? Iki ni igiki? This is verb to be. in simple past. Verb to be in simple past. Was. Tugira. Verb to be in simple past. Tugira. Ebyiri gusa. We have was and were. Was and were. Ivugwa mu buryo bubiri gusa. Was and were. Was and were. Then here. She was here yesterday. Icyo uzakora niba ugiye kubaza. Ntabwo did ikenewe noneho. No. You will take this was izaza muri uyu mwanya wa she, and this she will be in this place. Then you say was she here yesterday? Was she here yesterday? Yararaha. Ejo hashize. Was she? Was and she. Urabona ko twari tuvuga she was. She was here yesterday. But now she yagiye mu mwanya wa was. And was yaje mu mwanya wa she. That's what we are going to see. We are going to get more examples. Hakindi ubaho bikoze. Was she here yesterday? Ese yararaha ejo hashize? Just don't bring verb to do. Twabonye ko verb to do is used for other words, for other verbs. Verb to do is used for other verbs. But verb to be is sufficient enough, okay, to make interrogative form itself. Ugayo yikorera interrogative form. Let's see more or many examples. For example, when I say, you were my real friend. You were my real friend. Wari inshuti yanjye magara. You were my real friend. You were my real friend. Then I'm going to change that sentence into interrogative form. I will say, ndaza kuvuga ngo icyaranda kizana ha, icyaranda kiza ha. Then I'm done. Where, which is this one? Listen. Were you? This one comes here. Here. Were you my friend? Were you my friend? Wari inshuti yanjye burya? Were you my friend? Yeah. I was. Another sentence. I was there when you called. Me. Nari ndi hariya mugihe wampamagaraga. I was there when you called me. Then asking ndaza kuzana ikihano ikihizana hano. You are done. Was I there? Was I there when you called me? Was I there when you called me? Icyo gihe uri kuvuga nkaho uri wibagiwe ibintu mwavuganye cyangwa byabayeho. Se burya nari ndi hariya mugihe wampamagaraga. Was I there when you called me? Uri kugira ngo abantu bakwibutse. Yeah, was I there when you called me? I was there when you called me. Was I there when you called me? Was I there when you called me? Ubajije neza cyane. That's a very good interrogative sentence. Was I there when you called? When you called me? Well, was I there when you called me? Ese nari hariya mugihe wampamagaraga. Was I there when you called me? Isubizo cyiza cyane cyangwa ikibazo cyiza cyane. I was there when you called me. Nari hariya mu gihe wampamagaraga. When I'm going to ask myself, was I there when you called me? Nari hariya mu gihe wampamagaraga. Another example here, I may say, they were bad people. Bari abantu babi. But after receiving salvation, they became good people. Ariko bamaze kubona agakiza babaye abantu beza. They became, ntabwo navuga ngo they become, kuko become ni present. Ariko they became, bahindutse cyangwa babaye abantu beza. Then when you say they were bad people, you go, ese bari abantu babi? You say, were they? You see, were they bad people? Were they bad people? Were they bad people? Were they bad people? Ese bari abantu babi? That's it. Pan Edutainment is going to help you accumulate, master, memorize, get English language very easily and for free. Pan igiye kugufasha kumenya Icyongereza mu buryo bworoshye kandi ku buntu. Only what we can give you as a piece of advice, you should take a kind of notebook on your side and try to write some of the difficult words, okay? Or some of the difficult sentences for you. Gerageza wandike utuntu tukugoye or important words, the most important words or the most important sentences for you. Cyangwa se interuro z'ingenzi wabonye mu isomo turi kwiga. Kugira ngo so that you can try to memorize them when you are maybe in bed, at job, or try your best to listen all the time our lessons when you are at job. Gerageza ushyire mu ujye wumva uraka ekuteri mu gihe uri mu kazi ujye wumva aya masomo yacu. In other way, or in addition to this, ukeneye nanone kuba washaka masomo yacu uko yose angana, we are there to serve you kugira ngo ujye uyareba yose uko angana, uko ari. Birashoboka ko umaze kwiga amasomo 3 ariko ntuzi aho twahereye twigisha ndi. It's better to contact us so that we can help you. Thank you very much. You are together with the teacher Jasper, the teacher of English on Pan Edutainment. We are together. See you later.